How to pair Oppo Watch to phone. So if you want to pair your Oppo Watch to your phone, then just follow the steps. So if you're using your watch for the first time, you just need to simply download the Wear OS, which you can see right here, Wear OS by Google app to pair it with your device. You just need to simply download it. Once you've downloaded, you can use your phone to scan the QR code on the right, or go to your phone's app store to download and install the Wear OS by Google app. Open the Wear OS by Google app on your phone and follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. So you just need to simply charge your watch to at least 20% to ensure you have enough battery to complete the pairing. Through the phone's pairing process, keep your phone's Bluetooth on and your watch within Bluetooth range. And after that, your Oppo Watch will be connected with Bluetooth to your phone. So that's how you can pair or connect your Oppo Watch to your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.